Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today we are going to see that how we can set up Webhook inside Brilliant Directories with Pabbly Connect. So Brilliant Directories is a powerful online platform designed to help businesses, organizations and entrepreneurs to create and manage membership websites, online directories and community portals. It offers a comprehensive solution for building feature-like directories that can include listings, memberships, events and many more. And that too without the need for extensive coding or development. So here we are going to see that how we can use Brilliant Directories inside Pabbly Connect and how we can set up Webhook inside Brilliant Directories to connect Pabbly Connect. So imagine here I run an online membership directory for service provider using Brilliant Directories, and I want to automate actions based on specific events within my platform, such as when a new member joins, updates their profile or made a payment. So instead of manually tracking these events, I can set up a Webhook in Brilliant Directories and I can use Pabbly Connect and automate my workflows like sending notifications, adding data to Google Sheets, or creating CRM entries. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how businesses using Brilliant Directories can set up Webhooks to automate key workflows, and the combination of Brilliant Directories, Pabbly Connect and third-party apps like Google Sheets, Slack and email services creates a powerful automated system for managing new member signups and other directory events. So here first what we need to do is we need to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And here this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And here this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to set up Webhook inside Brilliant Directories. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and here it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here first I need to set up my trigger, and here for setting up Webhook inside Brilliant Directories, I need to set up my trigger. So here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Brilliant Directories. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select Brilliant Directories here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab and here I have all these trigger events. So I can use all these trigger events, and here I'm going to use this particular trigger event of members imported or added via admin. So this is going to trigger when a members are imported or are added by the admin inside our directory. So I'm going to use this particular trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Brilliant Directories with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So for that I need to use this Webhook URL, and this Webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Brilliant Directories and Pabbly Connect. So for setting up my Webhook inside Brilliant Directories, what I need to do is I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to log into my Brilliant Directories account, and then I need to navigate to Developer Hub, and in Developer Hub I will find the option of Webhooks where I need to paste my Webhook URL, and I need to paste my Webhook URL in this event of members imported / added via admin. And after pasting my Webhook URL, I need to save my Webhook settings, and after doing that I can successfully set up my Webhook inside Brilliant Directories. So first I'm going to copy this Webhook URL, and now I need to take you to my Brilliant Directories account. And here in Brilliant Directories, I need to go to Developer Hub. So I'm going to open that. And here in Developer Hub, we can see I have this option of Webhooks. So I'm going to open that. And now in Webhooks, we can see I have all these events. So here I need to search for my event of member added. So I'm going to search for that. And here we can see I have this particular event of members imported, added, updated or deleted via admin. So in this particular event, I need to add my Webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So here I have this option of Webhook link. So I'm going to first clear this default link here. And I'm going to add my Webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And here I have added my Webhook URL. Now what I need to do is I need to first enable this Webhook. So I'm going to toggle on this option. And now what I need to do is I need to click on this Save Webhook Settings button. So here I have successfully added my Webhook and I have successfully set up this Webhook inside Brilliant Directories. Now by using this Webhook, I have connected Brilliant Directories with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to close this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new member in my directory. And as I'm going to add that member, then automatically by using this Webhook, it will send that data of that member to Pabbly Connect. So for this, let me take you to members. And here we can see this is my directory where I have all the members. Now what I need to do is I need to add a new member. So I'm going to click on this add new member button. And now I'm going to fill all the detail of my member. So first I need to select my account status. So I want to keep this as active. So I'm going to select that. Now I have to select my membership plan. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to use this membership plan 1 that is paid. So I'm going to select that. And now I'm going to give the email address of my member. So here the email address will be michaelkarras@pabblytunes.com. So here I have added the email address. Now I'm going to create a new login password. So I'm going to create a random password here. So here this is going to be the password. Now I'm going to give the first name that will be Michael. I'm going to give the last name that is going to be Karras. And now I'm going to give my company name that will be Pabbly. And I have to give a phone number. So I'm going to give a random phone number to my member. And now I have to select the top level category. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to select this top level category. And now here I have filled all the required details for my member. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this add new member button. And here I've successfully added my member. Now I'm going to close this window. And here in my directory we can see I have added this new member that has the company name as Pabbly. And this is the email address that is michaelkarras@pabblytunes.com. I have the name of my member that is Michael Karras and this is the random phone number. Now as I have created this member in my directory in Brilliant Directories, now what should happen is that as I have set up my Webhook inside Brilliant Directories, then automatically the data of this member should be sent to Pabbly Connect. So to check whether I have received the response of the new member in Pabbly Connect or not, let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have this user action that is member created. And here I have all the detail of my member. So here this is the random phone number of my member. I have the first name of my member that is Michael. I have the last name that is Karras. Also here I have the email address that is michaelkarras@pabblytunes.com. And I have the company name that is Pabbly. So here we can see that by using all these details, I have created a new member in Brilliant Directories. And as I've created that member, then the response of that member has been sent to Pabbly Connect. So I have received this response here because I have set up this Webhook inside Brilliant Directories. And now as I've set up this Webhook inside Brilliant Directories, I'm going to receive the response of new members that are going to get imported or added. Now for every new member added in my Brilliant Directories, then automatically I'm going to receive that response here in Pabbly Connect. So here we can see I have successfully set up this Webhook inside Brilliant Directories, and here I have done this by following all the steps. So here by setting up this Webhook inside Brilliant Directories, I have connected Brilliant Directories with Pabbly Connect. So by following all these steps, you can also set up this Webhook inside Brilliant Directories. And by setting up this Webhook inside Brilliant Directories, you can connect Brilliant Directories with any application that you want inside Pabbly Connect. Now after setting up Webhook inside Brilliant Directories, you can create multiple automations. And now in this video, we have seen that how we can set up Webhook inside Brilliant Directories. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.